This Comfee Toaster Oven Countertop is a game changer for those looking to make the most out of their limited kitchen space. Combines versatility, efficiency, and convenience in one compact appliance. Whether you're making a quick toast for breakfast, broiling a quick snack, or baking a small pizza for dinner, this small but powerful oven promises to deliver. In this detailed review, we'll break down all the essential features, benefits, and why this toaster oven should be your next kitchen investment. One of the first things you'll notice about the Comfee Toaster Oven is its sleek and compact design. Despite its small footprint, this oven doesn't compromise on capacity. Comfortably fits 2 to 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza, making it ideal for small families or those living in cozy spaces, apartments, or dorms. The white finish adds a touch of elegance to your countertop, seamlessly blending with any kitchen decor. But what truly sets this toaster oven apart is its dual rack capacity. Having 2 racks allows you to maximize your cooking potential in a compact space. You can toast your bread on one level while baking a small dish on the other. This flexibility makes the Comfee Toaster Oven a perfect companion for anyone who enjoys multitasking in the kitchen. Imagine having a busy morning and needing to prepare breakfast in minutes. The Comfee Toaster Oven lets you toast bread while warming up last night's pizza, saving you time and hassle. This dual functionality is perfect for those who value efficiency without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of this toaster oven is its 3-in-1 versatility. With the ability to bake, broil, and toast, it meets various cooking needs with ease. The flexibility it offers makes it an all-in-one solution for many of your cooking tasks. Bake. From small casseroles to desserts, the baking function is perfect. Compact meals. The even heat distribution ensures your food comes out cooked to perfection. Broil. Broil your favorite meats, vegetables, or even finish off dishes with a crispy top. The broiling function adds a professional touch to your meals without requiring a full-sized oven. Toast. Perfect for breakfast or quick snacks, the toasting function delivers perfectly browned slices every time. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple appliances, making it ideal for minimalistic kitchens or those short on space. Why clutter your kitchen with separate appliances when the Comfee Toaster Oven can handle all your small baking, broiling, and toasting needs? Its compact versatility makes it an essential tool for efficient cooking. Comfee Toaster Oven is designed with the user in mind. It features 2 intuitive dials that allow you to easily control both temperature and cooking mode. With a wide temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can cook various foods with precision. The dials are straightforward and easy to operate, ensuring that even those new to cooking can use the appliance with confidence. Additionally, the built-in 30-minute timer includes a stay-on feature for longer baking tasks. This allows you to focus on other tasks without worrying about your food burning. Whether you need a quick toast or a more extended baking session, Comfee toaster controls provide flexibility and convenience. At 950 watts, this toaster oven delivers impressive power for its size. The heating elements work quickly and evenly, ensuring consistent results with every use. Whether you're toasting bread to the perfect shade or baking a mini pizza, you can expect great performance every time. Precise toast shade preference is another highlight. With the timer, you can customize how light or dark you want your toast, so no more burnt bread or undercooked slices. This level of control ensures that everyone in the household gets their toast exactly how they like it. Have you ever had a toaster that burns one side of your bread while leaving the other side untouched? The Comfee Toaster Oven's consistent performance ensures even toasting, baking, and broiling, so you get perfect results every time. The Comfee Toaster Countertop comes with 3 essential accessories that make cooking and cleaning a breeze. 1. Non-stick baking rack. Perfect for your small baking needs and non-stick for easy food release. 2. Baking pan, ideal for broiling and smaller baked dishes. 3. Detachable crumb tray. Cleaning up is effortless. The crumb tray easily slides out, allowing you to discard crumbs and debris quickly. These accessories are not only functional, but also make cleanup a simple process. The non-stick surfaces reduce the need for scrubbing, and the detachable crumb tray ensures that your countertop stays clean and crumb-free. Who has time for complicated cleanup? Comfee Toaster Oven's easy-to-clean accessories let you enjoy your meals without the post-cooking hassle. Spend more time enjoying your food and less time scrubbing dishes. Final thoughts. Is the Comfee Toaster Oven worth it? In short, yes. Comfee Toaster Oven Countertop is a small but mighty appliance that delivers versatility, performance, and convenience in a compact design. Its 3-in-1 cooking functions, dual rack capacity, and easy-to-use controls make it a standout choice for anyone with limited kitchen space but a desire for quality cooking. Whether you're a busy professional needing quick meals, a college student with limited kitchen space, or someone looking to simplify their cooking routine, this toaster oven offers great value. The durable build, user-friendly design, and compact size make it a worthy addition to any kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with a versatile and efficient toaster oven, Comfee Toaster Oven might just be the perfect bet. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.